Hello, I'm Lawrence Fishman, owner of Trident Dental Labs. In just this brief moment, I'd like to quickly update you on the latest services and elite products offered here at Trident. I'm proud to say with Trident's leading edge and mastery of CAD/CAM technology, we have achieved the highest quality zirconia restorations available. 85% of our restorations are zirconia, which are designed and milled with CAD/CAM technology to yield the same results in fit and aesthetics, with strength no longer being questionable. Once these full or layered zirconia restorations are cemented, dentists do not have to contend with patients returning with shredded, fractured porcelain, or metal showing through. Now I'd like to talk to you about IOS, intraoral scanning. Having mastered CAD/CAM technology, our productivity, efficiency, and accuracy continues to exceed the expectations of our dentists utilizing digital impression systems. We accept digital case scans from 3M True Definition, Itero, Sirconia, Carestream, and Trios. Send us a digital case scan and receive model-less restorations for solid and layered zirconia, IPS EMAX, and even PFMs, which no other lab currently offers. Dentists partner with Trident to streamline their digital workflow, save on shipping costs, and receive leading products with the quality and accuracy always expected. Remember, there's no need to pay more than $99 or more per unit for zirconia restorations. Make Trident your zirconia lab of choice and only pay $44 per unit for your full, solid zirconia digital case scans. Send us an impression or a model for your zirconia case and pay only $64 per unit. It's a guaranteed fixed rate.